Welcome to IHY House of Sciences, where science goes down, to the earth for every human being to understand. Sciences are broken down. And thank you for following us. We're going to have a look at tests for acid and bases. So we'll be able to distinguish between acid and base. You can bear me witness that this and this these substances, one is acid, one is base. The only thing that can help us to distinguish between these two substances is through tests. So chemistry sciences, we don't play with tests. So we are going to make use of testing apparatus, chemicals, to help us distinguish between a base and an acid. The first we're going to make use of is a vegetable dye called litmus paper. They are formed from vegetable dyes. They are from the plants. Now, one is called red litmus. This is red in color. This is red litmus. This one is blue litmus. So we use them to test, to find out the one that is acid, the one that is base when we're confused. We make use of the blue litmus paper to identify acid, where we are confused whether a chemical substance is acid or base. This is blue litmus paper. Put it in the acid, it turns it red. Acid turns blue litmus paper red. Now, but base turns red litmus paper blue. Base turns red litmus paper blue. This is red one. Soak it here. Turns is blue. Turns is blue. We can also make use of a chemical substance called phenolphthalein. Phenolphthalein. They are also vegetable dye. They are from plants. This substance, with acid, it has this is phenolphthalein solution. This is an acid solution. Let's add acid. The phenolphthalein is colorless in acid medium. Phenolphthalein is colorless in acidic medium. The color of phenolphthalein is colorless. It has no color. The acid too has no color. When you mix the phenolphthalein with the acid, the color still remains colorless. But for the base, let's add phenolphthalein to base and see. The phenolphthalein in base changes to pink. What happens when we continue to add acid in a basic medium containing the base, containing the phenolphthalein. See, we are going to add acid into the base that contains the phenolphthalein. And see what happens at the end point. End point simply means where the reaction between the base and the acid is complete. Watch. At the end point, the color disappears and becomes colorless. Colorless.